Hey everyone, welcome to the first of many episodes of Stevo Crypto. Hi, I'm Stevo and I love crypto. So, a lot of my friends, people, family keep asking me about crypto, which actually prompted the creation of this channel. And today, for the first episode, I felt it appropriate to answer the question that many people are still asking: what is cryptocurrency? The reason I say still is because cryptocurrency's been around since January of 2009 with the creation of Bitcoin. Many might be thinking, well, it's 12 years ago. Maybe I'm late for the bus, right? It's $58,000 a coin today. Um, is there anything to be gained by getting into crypto today? We'll discuss that and go over a few other questions in this video. But before we do, I do need to go over a quick disclaimer. I have to let you all know that I'm not a financial advisor. What I say on my channel is not intended to be taken as your due diligence. When investing money in any market, including the cryptocurrency market, you can and may lose it. Don't invest any money that you cannot afford to lose, and do your own due diligence before investing. I'm not responsible for any monetary or other profits or losses. Please invest responsibly. Okay, so now for the meat and potatoes of the episode. The question that everyone is asking: what is cryptocurrency? Well, not everyone. So, right now, they say that only 17% of the world's population is involved in cryptocurrency. So, um, not everyone, 83%, which is still a huge number of people, are not involved in cryptocurrency. That's huge, guys. So, anyways, to answer the question as simply as possible, cryptocurrency is a digital asset that can be exchanged for goods, services, as well as global currencies. So, see, Nerd Wallet right here says cryptocurrency is a form of payment that can be exchanged online for goods and services. Many companies have issued their own currencies, often called tokens, and these can be traded specifically for the good or service that the company provides. Think of them as you would arcade tokens or casino chips. You'll need a real exchange. You'll need to exchange real currency for the cryptocurrency to access the goods or service. So, just a little simplified version of what cryptocurrency is. So, the trouble with that answer is it probably leads to other questions. How does it work? A digital asset, what gives this digital asset value? Let's take a look at the first question. How does it work? This will give us a better idea, understanding of what it is. So, the gist of how cryptocurrency works is that it's run on a technology called blockchain. So, a blockchain allows individuals known as miners, which I'm sure you've heard before, to combine their computing power to process requests, and in turn for their computing power, they're provided they provide, they're rewarded with cryptocurrency, one of the tokens that they're helping power. Um, so, uh, Again, it's a very simplified explanation because I want to keep the video short for YouTube viewers like myself that prefer shorter videos. But if you'd like a deeper explanation of what blockchain is and how it works, please see my video link below. It'll probably be tomorrow when I actually post that video. What is blockchain? But for now, let's look at what gives cryptocurrency value. Now, there are multiple answers to this question, so let's just look at a few of them. So I have naga.com pulled up here, and where do cryptocurrencies get their value? So, what's behind the crypto value? There's a few different big factors in what drives crypto value. So user demand being one, which is kind of obvious. If there's something in demand, then the value goes up. If the demand diminishes, then the value goes down. Scarcity being another big one. If something's scarce, the value typically raises up. So, another big factor, a lot of people don't really, a lot of people aren't aware of, even people that actually invest in crypto, is the coin's utility. So, what is the coin's utility? So, um, there's different utilities for different coins. So these companies that create these tokens that these users mine, these miners, um, they have different utilities. So one typically being a ledger, and that's a pretty big deal. So what's good about these ledgers is that they are secure. While the information is readily available, they are secure, meaning that once the information is inserted into the ledger and everyone's agreed on it, that information is on the ledger for good. So it will not be removed from the ledger. So that's a pretty important functionality for a lot of the utilities of these different companies. So that being a major one, and these blockchains, they can power multiple things. So they could power AI. They could power databases, websites. There's a ton of utilities that these cryptocurrencies and these blockchains can provide. So that is a big one that I really look at, and it's definitely one that we'll go over in the future and some of the different cryptos and their utility. So finally, are you late for the bus on cryptocurrency? So we can look here at some different projections based on some websites we have here. This one right here, for instance, it's showing by 2023 a high of $145,000 and a low of $63,000 based on this projection here. And by 2024, 2025, up to $1 million. So, based on this website right here, this is saying you're not even late for Bitcoin. Bitcoin still has a lot of room to grow, which I don't know. I'm not really a Bitcoin investor, so I do invest in other cryptocurrencies, but yeah, Bitcoin just it doesn't have the utility that I look for. So we can scroll down here a little bit more just to get some different ideas. Bitcoin predictions here. Shervin Peshivar, hopefully I said that right, is saying that it could be worth $100,000 by 2022. That's almost 40% increase right there, 42% increase right there. 318,000 by 2022. Thomas Fitzpatrick. So and these guys, I'm not really sure who they are. I'm just reading off of this website here. So do your own due diligence again. But I'm just giving you some examples of what apparently some of these guys are saying. So, and that's just on Bitcoin right there. Now Ethereum. So Ethereum, what is it worth now? So you got the Ethereum price is around $3,500 right now. So let's see. We should pull that up real quick. Ethereum price. So yeah, 3480 right now, and this right here is showing that Ethereum could be worth potential high, $27,000 by the year 2022, and $22,000 by the end of this year, with a potential low of $780. Now, this is saying by at least 2024, 2025, it's going to be at least on the potential low end, it could be worth what it is now, and a potential high of $70,000. So, again, based on this information here, it does not look like anybody is late for the train. And what I was saying earlier, only 17% of the population is on cryptocurrency right now. So, and that number is growing every day. People are hopping in on cryptocurrency. The craze is huge right now. So, these numbers, they could all rise. And as new cryptocurrencies come out with new functionalities, new utilities, a lot, and these come out all the time. You can find new cryptocurrencies with new utilities that may strike your interest and could be, worth, barely anything when they start out, and it could be potential huge gains. That's all I have for today. I do appreciate you guys watching. If you liked the video, please please subscribe. Do appreciate you guys showing your support. Also, if you're new to cryptocurrency, you don't have a broker yet, you're wondering where to go, I am leaving some links down below for you. If you do choose to hop on those, that will help me out, and it could possibly help you out. I try to add links for that will actually give you free shares that you can turn around and sell and buy crypto with, or whatever you want to do. So again, I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.